To add column showing selected options from variants, first, click Browse and select Order and Line Items, then Variant Selected Options, while leaving the option name field empty. Next, take a look at the preview. Since we left the option name field empty, DataChamp now displays all option keys along with their values. In this example, we see color set to blue 2 and size set to big. To display only one option, enter the specific option name in the option name field, for example, color. Then, rename the column. Let's check the preview again. As you can see, now we only get one column showing the selected option. If you want to display multiple options, simply click the duplicate icon, configure the column name, and enter another option name, like size. Once again, let's review the preview. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. That's all for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.